What's good, Auto Gang? It's your boy Easy coming at y'all with another video, and I'm happy about this. Peep game. QuickJack.
Maybe.
Just got my QuickJack lift. Just came in. 5,000 TL. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart. See what we're looking at. I'm assuming both of the frames, obviously in here, motor. I do have to run to the parts store and pick up some hydraulic fluid and some transmission fluid, and the reason why. So I was about to do a little work, clean a little big red up right quick, everything dirty. So I'll go put the car in reverse. I know I'm in the grass, so, and I got the little tree right here, so I thought I was on like a root or something. So I'm like, I'm pressing the gas, this bitch ain't moving, like, and I can feel like something don't feel right. But yeah, the transmission line to the cooler had came off, so I'm gonna just go to O'Reilly's and get 2 new lines as well, because this, yeah, it's kind of brittle, so I'm about to prevent another failure down the line. So with these vehicles, there's always something. Fix one thing, something else break. So far, all right. I had an issue with one of my coolant hoses. It was rubbing and it was leaking. Fixed that. In the midst of fixing that, one of the AC lines, I don't know what happened with the AC line, but I got to get a new AC line. That one freed and shot all the freon out. After that, I go messing with the windows. The window switch motor break. So I'm like, what the? Man, every time I open the door, something break. You know what I'm saying? So I guess that's telling me, since you ain't driving me, motherfucker, you gonna have to work on me since you ain't driving. But anyway, let's get back to the QuickJack. You hear me? Set y'all up and take everything out. See what we're looking at. All right, got them bust open. So this box comes with all the accessories, your pump, fittings, instructions. Yeah, so I'm gonna get on these directions, see what's not, so I can install this correctly. It tells you everything that comes with it, quantity and everything. Got your lines. You got 2 sets of different size blocks to lift the vehicle up, stack them, you know, for in case you're working on an SUV or a smaller truck, you could stack these blocks up together. I was looking on it, it said you gotta put a block on here, if not you'll bend. The possibility of bending the frame. So I'm gonna go through these instructions. I'll cut y'all right back once I'm done. All right, read the instructions right quick. Wooty wooty woot. All right. So got your elbow fitting right here on both cylinders. You got 2 short lines, 2 long lines. You got 2 full female connectors, 2 male connectors. It's just pretty straightforward. And I put my Teflon tape on the edges. I lifted up a few times. It says you're supposed to lift it up 3 times. Not before the first jack. Oh. Hello? What's that with it? All right, I don't know what I said in my last clip, so I'm just gonna make it again. I got a phone call in between while I was recording. But I think I said, for the most part, yeah, it's pretty simple, straightforward. You got your 2 short lines, 2 long lines. You hook it up to your power source. And this is the 5-ton jack. So without further ado, I went through the air bleeding process and did that. As you can see, got some fluid on the ground from me bleeding the system. So let's go try it out. Let's see how it works. We're gonna put it on the Gbody. We're gonna put it on the Elantra. I really want to see about this. What is this? I don't know what this is. Spark Sonics. What is this? Some other Sonic. All right, Sonic. All right, so I'm gonna try the Sonic, the Hyundai, the Gbody. Well, I'm not gonna do this yet because once I fix these brake lines, then these transmission lines, then I'll come back and try. I'm pretty sure that I gotta I'm gonna buy the adapters, the truck adapters for this one, you know. So I might 10 times out of 10 it's not gonna lift it how it is. This bitch probably, if you can see, yeah, it's pretty sure this is higher than, this probably like 2.5, 3 feet off the ground. So yeah, talking Toys R Us, buddy. Let me set this up. Let's try the Gbody first, Gbody gang, and see how I lift it up. Hey V, line them up. All right, I got everything hooked up. Make sure every time you lift it, you gotta put a block underneath. That's how it's set up. Let's turn this baby on, see what we got. Let that sun. I'll come over here again. Matter of fact. You got your up, down. Let's see what happens when we go up. Okay, okay. See, stop playing, boy. Stop playing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And we passed the first one. We still got a lot more to go. Let's see what we're looking like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Still got a lot more to go. Oh gang, I'm too happy. Like, y'all don't understand right now. All right, we hit the last click. Now we locked in. Let's see how sturdy this joint is. Well, as y'all can tell, stop playing. Stop playing, dog. You gotta invest in yourself, man. You got to. You fucking got to. Lord, look at this. Man, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. What's going on, boy? Oh, yeah. Gang, I'm excited. Like, y'all just don't understand. Like, yeah, I got jack stands. But this is a convenience. So, when I come out, like Eazyauto does mobile services. So, see, I come do an oil change, I jack your vehicle up like this. You know, you're looking real professional. I'm pretty sure if you working on somebody's car and they pass you up, they gonna be like, man, what the fuck? Oh man. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, and you got all the room in the world to work. Look at this clearance, like, whew. Now I ain't gonna lie, that QuickJack is kind of heavy. It is a little heavy. So if you ain't making your Planet Fitness on, you will be when you mess with this thing. So we got two settings. We got the first, the second. Right now I'm in the second, the highest point. And I'm doing any job, dropping a gas tank, any work. Because just look at this light. One subscriber, 2 subscribers, 3 subscribers, 4. So I'm gonna raise up a little bit, take it off the stands. I'm gonna try. Well, I guess I'll try. I really want to try this big thing, which I know damn well. But shit, I need a ruler. Hold up. Oh, I got a ruler here somewhere. Let me see something. Hold on, let me see. Let me measure something right quick. I'll be right back. Shit, matter of fact, it might work. It might work with this lift, because I think it's like 1.5 feet. Let's go up to like 23, 2 feet and such. So, don't take me on that, but it might work. And I got the QuickJack. I think everything, if I would have bought the holders and like some more accessories, it'd have been well over 2 grand, probably about 22, 23. But I just got the simple setup. I will get the, like, I ain't get no adapters like the truck adapters. They have blocks that fit in certain frame rails. Like, you got splits in it so it can fit in there. So I'm gonna have to get those as well. Those are a few accessories. But as you can see, the QuickJack does its job, and it's the 5 ton, I guess. You hear me? So I'm gonna try this one just to see how it go. And yeah, and I'm pretty sure, and I'm gonna do another video later on with comparison how quick you can jack up a vehicle with jacks compared to you using a QuickJack. So, you know, a business, you want to be efficient. You know, you ain't trying to break your back working on all these cars. So I mean, if there's a will, there's a way. But yeah, I'm probably try this off camera, because my phone, this camera been tripping. I don't know, this GoPro, I don't know what's going on. Oh yeah, and to lift them to have it to come back down, you just come up a little bit on the machine, lift this up and come down. And when you get to the last one, you're gonna do the same thing, I believe. Let me see. Oh no, go all the way down. Go all the way down, baby. So if you do pass that first one, you just come up a little bit, set the locks in place, and you're good to go. But I'll have some more videos with the QuickJack. Y'all seen the simple setup. You got your 2 long hoses, 2 short hoses, a few connectors. You hit it with the Teflon tape, and whoop, there it is. You hear me? So y'all check that channel out. I will have more footage on this soon. And yeah, y'all do what y'all do. Eazyauto out. Yeah.